those lanterns work. I think those are from whatever these were. Those were mod. Yeah, I don't think the lanterns work. Tray lighting in here. Huh. Actually, did I get a good shot of that? Okay, there we go. And poo head. Very quickly, I'm actually gonna. Alright, I really wanted to quickly see if the motorroom door had a little, if it said on the warning sign, the old brand of these, because a lot of time it does, but it did not. So the original brand of these remains a mystery. It might just have been originally Alcalá. Who even knows? I love the old cabs. Oh, look. Senior. Maybe they just maintained these, but I guess they had a hand in these at some point, some way, somehow.